Welcome to this video about the SOA4All Process Monitoring Dashboard. It is a tool where SOA4All users can view the status of business processes executed by the platform. We show a scenario that focuses on supporting civil servants in handling typical administrative processes, including activities such as modeling, execution, and monitoring. In the scenario, a city that we call City of X has a website that allows its citizens to register new businesses. We click on the appropriate link, and we see the web form for registering a business. We fill in the requested information, and then we can submit the form. Then the site informs us we will soon receive a confirmation of our request. Behind the scenes, the execution engine, which is a part of the SOA4All platform, starts a new process for handling this business registration request. In the first step of the process, the platform sends a notification to the civil servant who will handle the business registration. Now the process is in a wait status in the execution engine because human intervention is required. The civil servant can handle the request through the execution engine interface. They'll review the information provided through the web form and eventually approve the request. Once the civil servant approves the request, the process handled in the execution engine can leave the waiting status and continue. The last step of the process is to notify the citizen through the interface of the City of X website about the approval or rejection of the registration request. In this case, the request is approved. Now the execution engine process completes. That is, its status changes to completed. Now we can proceed to show you the process monitoring dashboard. Through this interface, SOA4All users can see processes handled by the platform. In particular, processes shown in the dashboard are categorized based on their status, for example, active or completed. Moreover, the monitoring dashboard shows information about the execution duration of each process. The process monitoring dashboard gathers this information from monitoring events generated by the SOA4All execution engine. The monitoring events are classified through the monitoring ontology defined in the European research project SOA4All. In our scenario, before the citizen submits the business registration request through the website of the City of X, the monitoring dashboard shows us that the latest completed process has number 2356. When the citizen submits the request and a new process is started in the execution engine, a new process, number 2357, is shown in the monitoring dashboard. The SOA4All platform also monitors features like the availability and response times of all the services involved in its processes. Here, we see graphs for one particular service. As processes are executed, the data gets updated in real time. We've shown here the service delivery platform for the public sector use case of the SOA4All project, in which we've demonstrated the execution engine and the process monitoring dashboard. More information is available on the SOA4All website.